In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2012 through 2017 Chevrolet Sonic. To open this key fob, all you will need is a small screwdriver. Your first step will be to push the button and release the key. Then you'll just want to take your thumb and snap the back panel off. Once you have the panel off, you'll see the battery is located here. You should be able to just push on the battery and slightly pull back to release the battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. When you have the new battery back in, you can snap the key fob back together and close the key. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.